Every story we love, every tale we tell has one thing in common: a unique setting that brings it to life. Whether the setting takes place far, far away, or carries us through a wardrobe, or finds us on the pastoral hills of a shire, the setting isn't just the backdrop. It's the heartbeat of every story. The same is true for God's Word. The Bible isn't just words on a page, it's a living story rooted in a real place. A land where deserts shaped faith, rolling hills cradled God's promises, and redemption built a city. When we tap into the setting of the greatest story ever told, the gospel isn't just something we read, it's something we experience in a new and vital way. Because the story of God's promises isn't fiction, it's the ultimate reality, and the land that held forgiveness shaped every step and every word along the way. Don't miss your chance to experience the gospel in a more profound and engaging way in the fourth and final season of the Holy Land. The setting of our faith is calling.